So this is our hotel in the Mantra in the city in Sydney. So hey, I've been travelling all day again. Oh, that's cute. So that's obviously the flush for the toilet. And then we have Urban Skincare Co. Cleanser and Body Balm, shower cap, vanity and sanitary bag. Whoop. And then in here, the hairdryer. Excellent. Just about to have a shower. There's the guys. Yeah, sorry, they just turned up with the cases. So the toilet paper, obviously, and in here we've got more Urban Skincare Co. stuff. And a shower. And then behind, oh my gosh, behind we've got oh how wonderful. Iron and ironing board, washing machine and dryer. Perfect. Now I think Mr. SW was booked this because he knows how much I love a washer and dryer in the room. And we've got this lovely bed. That looks really nice. Looks nice and comfy. So in here is me and Pandy. Girls have got their own room and the SWs have got their own room. And then, so in here you've got a luggage rack and coat hangers, an extra bed in there. Any USB ports or anything? No, I can't see any. So in there is safe. And laundry bags. The Holy Bible. So that's in that one. I can't see any USB ports near the bed, which that's unfortunate because I always like to charge up my phone. Oh, there might be one on the clock. Is there one on the clock? I can't see one. It's a shame if there isn't. And we have a couple of steps down. This reminds me of Las Vegas when we stayed in a room this exactly the same layout as this, I think, in Las Vegas, just slightly bigger in Vegas. And then we've got a kitchenette area. Well, this is unusual.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. So we have, that's a full-size fridge, isn't it? Oh, and they've given us some full cream milk. Lovely. The beers we bought at before.
Milk in it, is it?
Yeah, milk in it. And then a dishwasher. And then a bin. Wonder whether they've got a bottle opener, because the bottles we bought need a bottle opener. I haven't got a clue how one of these works. That's the oven. I don't like using them. And we have got some plug sockets around here. And then, oh fantastic, in here pots, pans, kettle, toaster, microwave. Oh, wow, that was loud. I thought they opened up more than that. So yeah, lots of kitchen utensils. And lovely, they have got a bottle opener in there. Plates. And dishwasher tabs. Lovely, fantastic. And then what have we got up here? Glasses. Wow! So we can get some wine, Pandy, and got some wine glasses. And a jug. You can make me some cocktails. That doesn't open. And then what have we got in here? Some teas and coffee. Oh gosh, I'm making a racket. It's a good job it's not late. Some teas and coffees and sugars. And plenty of them as well, which is really good. And I'm into chamomile tea at the moment, so you never know, there might be some chamomile tea in there. And then apparently this turns into a sofa bed. And look at this. And I'm really happy. There's a bar area, so we can invite the SWs round for a drink, get a couple of bottles of wine, and hey ho. Really, really lovely. Our view, not so lovely. I've never quite had a view like that before. So yeah, our view is of a brick wall. There you go. And yeah, Fantastic. So that's our a room tour of the Mantra Hotel in Sydney City.